Hello guys, this is going to be my very first ever video for flipping furnitures. I just checked everything on it. Everything is okay. There's no damage or anything I can see. Except for this, there's like some dents and scratches, but that's okay. I can just paint this one or just sand it and paint it. The handle, I think I'm gonna replace this if I can find a replacement. Let's move into the inside of the cabinet. So there's like a little water damage here, but overall it's in good shape. This is, by the way, made in Canada. So in the back, there is like a white patch here, so I need to also sand this and just like paint it as well. And maybe I can just put some little bit nails here too, just to like reinforce the staples. But yeah, overall the condition is really good. So this is gonna be my very first project. I'm going to do the sanding, cleaning, and all the preparations, and then I'm gonna paint it using my Wagner 130 Pro paint sprayer. Moving on, while I'm doing the sanding and the preparation and stuff, I might be able to come up with what color I want for this.
A few moments later.
Okay, so after the light sanding
I did all the front, the drawers, the side, the back, and the top, and the bottom. Everything is good. I cleaned it up as well, and it's now ready for painting.
Okay, so hello guys. I wasn't able to take a video of the painting process because I was getting like a lot of overspray. Actually, painted this or spray painted this twice. I first used my Wagner 130 Pro X, but then I decided that it was like consuming a lot of paint, so I just switched to this LVLP. So I'm gonna be painting this with Stonehenge color, and probably during that time I would be able to take a video and show it to you. So this is the paint that I will be using. It's Stonehenge Grege. So this was just given to me for free, so I'm just making use of what I already have. And since this is like, I've never opened this one, and again, this somebody just gave this to me from Facebook Marketplace, and yeah, it looks nice. Stonehenge Grege, that's what it's called. It's an interior latex, semi gloss paint, and I'm gonna be painting it on this beauty here. So this has already been sanded, primed, and I've also like cleaned it up already using a tack cloth. This, so she's now ready for the first coat of the color that I will be putting on this small cabinet or nightstand. Okay, so finally done. I wasn't able to take a video of some of the stuff that I did, but I put a top coat on this, and I'm thinking of just putting this original pulls back to the drawer. So here, that side. As you can see, it's like really smooth, shiny, and it's really durable. So this is it for my first build, and here's another quick look of it.